I don't think you can talk about Jalsa without a community. People needing help, people talking to each other, even speaking to strangers. I think Jalsa is the description of community.
There is no room for hatred at all. It's all about love, smiling, meeting each other.
Once you have the taste of it, you never go away. you can't move away from here.
Islam Ahmadiyya! Islam Ahmadiyya!
It makes me feel special in a way that I forget about this world for that moment of taking bath.
Once you come here, we had a large family, both Pakistanis, Indonesians, Africans. We mingle and we are one family.
देखो खुदा ने एक जहां को.
The blessed days of Jalsa Salana UK are here once again, where the world unites under the banner of righteousness for the worship of their Creator, and in the leadership of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, Ayyadahullah Ta'ala bin Nasrihil Aziz.
I'm from Palestine. It's just a beautiful and surreal experience for me, and I love how everyone is gathered together.
I'm from Calgary, Canada. I haven't prayed behind Hazur since 2016. That feeling, it was unparalleled to anything. My legs were shaking while reading namaz. It was a great experience. Even the brotherhood that you see here, it's an amazing feeling. You won't find this anywhere else in the world.
I'm quite amazed about the brotherhood, about the greetings. Everybody has a nice attitude, a smile in their face, because we all came for one purpose, to see our beloved Khalifa.
It's quite inspiring that in our lifetime we are witnessing this. It's not just only a mere prophecy, but we are seeing the fulfillment of that prophecy. That I shall cause thy message to reach all corners of the world. We are able to see here today people from all over the world.
MTA International will once again bring you extensive and complete coverage of the Jalsa proceedings over 4 days, starting from a special broadcast on Thursday the 24th of July, and then the 3 days of Jalsa proceedings over the 25th, 26th and 27th July. Be a part of this blessed and historic event through MTA via all our channels and online platforms. Jalsa Salana UK, coming this month on MTA from the 24th of July.